Exercise 2.4, question number 4. Have you doubt in question number 4?
No, sir.
Have you doubt?
No, sir.
No problems in question number 4. Exercise 2.4.
No, sir. No problem.
Okay, student. Now we proceed to exercise 2.5. Exercise 2.5. Students, solve the following linear equation. First question. X by 2 minus 1 by 5. X by 2 minus 1 by 5 is equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 4. Students, x by 2 minus 1 by 5 is equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 4. Student, we have to find out the value of x. To find the value of x. Students, can you share?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, students.
Yes, sir.
Now we have to find out the value of x. Student, we will keep the variable on one side and keep constant term on the other side. X by 2 minus x by 3.
तब देखिए वो आरव सिंह बच्चा उसने कैमरा ऑन किया।
Now students, we have to find out the variable x. Students, we will keep the variable on left hand side and we will keep the constant term on other side, that is right hand side. Now student, that is 1 by 4. We will transfer minus 1 by 5 from left hand side to right hand side. So minus sign change into plus sign, that is plus 1 by 5. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Okay,
No,
student.
sir.
Okay, students. Now we will take the LCM of 2 and 3 in left hand side. Student, LCM of 2 and 3 is
Sir, 6.
6.
6.
Now student, as you know that numerator will be as it is. Student,
Yes, sir.
how many times 6 come in table of 2?
3 times.
3 times.
Sir, 3 times.
Very good, student.
3 times. Sir.
Okay, student, numerator x is as it is. How many times 6 come in table of 3?
Sir, 2 times.
2 times. 2 to the 6. Okay, students.
Sir, 2 times.
Okay. Now student, LCM of 4 and 5 is
Sir, 20.
20.
20.
Okay, student. Now your okay.
9.
Students, your numerator is 1. How many times 20 come in table of 4? 5 times.
5 times.
Now student, 1 as it is.
5 times.
How many times? 4 times.
4 times.
Okay, students. X into 3.
Sir, x.
X 3x minus x into 2.
2x.
That is 6. Okay, students. Now 5 plus 4. That is 20.
Sir, 9.
Now student, 3x and 2x are like terms. Like term means variable are same. Student, 3x. Yes, student. 3x and 2x are like terms. Like term means variable are same. That is x. Now we will subtract only coefficient. 3 minus 2.
1x.
1x means only 1x. divided by 6. Student 5 plus 4
9.
9 by 20.
9.
Now student we have to find out the value of x. To find the value of x we will cross multiply it. Cross multiplication it. Now student x into 20, 9 into 6. 9 into 6. Student, we have to find out the value of x. And you are observing in this question 20 is multiplied to x. It will transfer 20 from left hand side to right hand side. It will divide 9 into 6. Student, multiply sign change into
Divide sign.
divide sign. 9. Okay, student. 9 into 6. Okay, student. 9 into 6 divided by 20. Students, 6 and 20 comes in table of 2. Common factor is 2. That is 2 3s are 6 and 2 10s are 20. Now students, 9 3s are
27.
by 10. Student, any doubt, any problem?
No.
Okay, students. Anand Dwivedi. Anand Dwivedi. Am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
9 3s are 9 3s are
54.
9 3s are
27.
27.
Okay. Poonam.
Yes, sir.
9 6 are
27.
9 6 are
54.
54.
Sir, 24.
Student, if you will transfer multiply sign Isa Singh, it will transfer multiply sign to from left hand side to right hand side. Multiply sign change students.
इसके नाम क्या है?
If you will transfer multiply sign to right hand side, then multiply sign change into
Divide.
and divide sign change into divide sign change into
Multiply.
minus sign change into minus sign and plus sign change into okay student. Students, in this question have you any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Question number 3. Student, x plus 7 minus 8x by 3. Now student, x plus 7 minus 8x by 3 is equal to 7 by 6, 17 by 6 minus 5x by 2. Student, first of all we will move the variable, we will keep the variable in left hand side. We will keep the variable in left hand side. Student, x minus 8x by 3. Student, minus 5x by 2. Minus 5x by 2. We will move minus 5x by 2 from right hand side to left hand side. So minus sign change into plus sign. That is 5x by 2. Now student 17 by 6 minus 7 y. Student, any doubt, any problem up to here?
No, sir.
That is x by 1. Now student, LCM of 2 and 3. LCM of 2 and 3. 6.
That's it.
Okay student, x as it is 1 into 6. 6, 8, x. Student, how many times 6 come in table of 6? How many times 6 come in table of 3? Table of 3.
That's 3 to the
3 to the 6 plus. Student, how many times 6 come in table of 2? 6
Sir,
come.
3 times. And 3 times.
Okay students. Now student, LCM of 6 and 1. That is 6.
6.
17 as it is, numerator as it is. How many times 6 come in table of 6?
1.
1 time.
Sir,
1 time.
Now student, 6, 7. How many times 6 come in table of 1?
6.
6 times.
6 times.
1 6 are 6.
6 times.
Now student, 6x minus 8 2s are 16x plus 15x. That is 6.
5x upon 6.
Now 17 minus 7 6 are 42 divided by 6. Now students,
Excuse me, sir.
yes students,
So 17 minus 42 by क्या उसके लिए
6. That is 6. Now students, 6 to 6 cancel out. If there is equal sign, you can cancel out it. Now student, 6x minus 16x minus 10x plus 15x. That is 17 minus 42. 17 minus 42 minus 25
minus 1.
minus 25. Now student, 50 minus 10x plus 15x, that is 5x
5x.
equal to minus 25.
So x is equal to 5.
X is equal to minus 5.
Minus 5. Minus 5. 25 upon 5.
Minus 5. Minus 5.
Then x is equals to minus 1.
Student, do it fast. Student, first of all, we will take the LCM of 4 and 3, that is 12. 3t minus 12. How many times 12 come in table of 4? That is 4 3s are 12. Now students, minus 2t plus 3. How many times 12 come in table of 3? 3 4s are 12. Now student, t, how many times 12 come in table of 1? That is 1 to the 12. Now student, we multiply it.
We're done.
3 to the 9, 90. 3 to the 6. Student, we will multiply it. That becomes 4t plus 12. And it becomes 20. We will solve it. We will solve it and find out the value of a t. Student, value of t will be 2. Value of t, that is 13, t is equal to 26, t is equal to 26 by 13, and t is equal to 2. Now student, sixth part. We will discuss six question. Any doubt, any problem up to in this question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir. No.
Please put off your mic. Switch off your mic. Now student, question number 6. m minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 1 minus m minus 2 upon 3. Now student, first of all we will keep the variable on left hand side. Now student, m minus 1 upon 2, it will transfer minus m minus 2 by 3 from right hand side to left hand side. So minus sign change into plus sign, that is plus m minus 2 by 3, that is 1. That is n minus 1. Student, with the LCM of 2 and 3, 6.
6.
And how many times 6 come in table of 1?
6.
6 times. 1 6 are 6. Now student, minus n minus 1. How many times 6 come in table of 2?
3 times.
3 times. Plus.
Sir, 3 times.
Okay student, n minus 2. Student, how many times 6 come in table of 3?
2 times.
Give me the 6.
2 times.
Okay student.
2 times.
Now student, it becomes equal to 1. It is equal to 1. That is 1 by 1. You can write such as 1 by 1. Now student, solve it. M into 6, 6m minus. Student, multiply it. That is 3m minus
3.
plus. Now student, 2 into m, twice of m minus 2 to the 4. Divided by 6. That is 1 by 1. Student, 6m minus 3m minus plus 3.
Plus.
Student, if there is a minus sign before the bracket, then all the sign in the bracket will be changed. Plus sign change into minus sign. Minus sign change into plus sign. Student, plus 3m change into minus 3m and minus 3 change into plus 3. That is plus 2m minus 4. 6, that is 1 by 1. Now student, 6m minus 3m plus 2m plus 3 minus 4 divided by 6, that is 1 by 1. Student, solve the variables. 6m minus 3m plus 2m. 6 plus 8, 8 minus 3, 5m.
Then 5m minus 1 upon 6 is the next side term.
Okay, student, 5m minus 1, 6 is equal to 1. Student, any doubt, any problem up to here?
No, sir.
Now student 5m minus 1 equal to 6. 5m is equal to 6 plus 1. M is equal to 6 by 5. 6 by 5.
Sir, 7 by 5.
M is equal 7.5.
7 by 5.
7.5, sir. M is equal 7.5.
Wait. Student, do it fast.
Done.
Okay, students. Now,
Sir, done.
okay, student, 8th.
Done, sir.
Now, student, 8th question. Question number 8. Have you done?
Yes.
Have you done?
Yes, sir.
Now, student, question number 8.
कैमरा ऑन किया हुआ है इसमें? कैमरा हमेशा ऑन। एक मिनट सेकंड। ना बताइए।
Arav, Mr. Arav,
यहाँ नहीं दिखता कैमरा।
Yes, sir.
where are you?
Sir, in the class.
ठीक है।
Okay, good. Now, student, question number 8. (15) bracket y minus 4 minus 2 bracket y minus 9 plus 5 bracket y plus 6 is equal to 0 is equal to 0. Student, first of all solve the brackets. 15 into y, 15y minus, student, 15 बोलना, 15 बोलना, 16.
16.
Student, if there is a minus sign before the bracket, then all the signs in the bracket will be changed. Student, here is plus minus 2 into y. Student, minus
Then minus
plus 2 9 are 18. Student, we will multiply this with 5y plus 5 6 are 30 is equal to 0. Now, student, keep the variable in left hand side and keep constant term in right hand side. That is 15y. Yes, friends. 15y minus 2y plus 5y is equal to. Student, keep the constant term in right hand side. Minus 60 transfer from left hand side to right hand side. So minus sign change into plus sign. That is plus 60. Student, it is minus
Sir, y is
80.
equal to 2 by 3.
That is minus 30. Student, 15y plus 5y, that is
18y.
20y minus 2y is equal to 60 minus, that is 48. Student, it is 18y. It is your
Is
12.
equals to minus 12.
12 by 18. 6 2 are 12, 6 3 are 18. Y is equal to 2 by 3.
Yes.
Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Note down 8. Note down 8.